guys, it's Sophie here from My Cup Runs Over, and today I want to talk to you about BookShark Science. So specifically, what I have here in front of me is BookShark Science D, which is a complete one-year science curriculum for ages 8 to 11. But all of the BookShark Science curriculum for each year follows a similar pattern. So if you're interested in this type of format, then you can head over to their website and check out all the different levels for each grade. And you'll be able to see which specific books and experiments and topics are covered in the grade that you're interested in. So let me start by saying that science is not one of my favorite subjects. Don't get me wrong, I love science. I think it is super cool and interesting, but it's not the thing that I am particularly knowledgeable about. I haven't studied it since high school, so most of my knowledge is either really old or just things that I've picked up reading, articles online. I do not have a robust science background. So for most of the years that we homeschooled, I actually traded off with another mom who taught my kids science while I taught her kids writing. But during the pandemic, we weren't able to do that. And so last year was the first year in a long time that we actually started purchasing science curriculum for our family. And so for my older girls who were in grades 6 and 8 at the time, we started in on BookShark Science H, and we covered garbage, waste, climate change, canals and dams, so many interesting subjects. I think the Industrial Revolution was in there as well. It was really cool, all of the different things that we studied. So this year, they're actually studying science outside the home again, but I am actually continuing BookShark Science at home with my younger daughter, who is in grade 2. We're aging up a little bit. We're doing Science D, which is ages 8 to 11, but it's really exciting. So what I love about this curriculum is that if you're like me, and science isn't your thing, or planning out your own curriculum isn't your thing, you just don't have the time to do it, everything is already done for you. So from the instructor's manual, which includes a daily schedule for everything you're going to cover every day, to all of the books hand selected for you, to the experiments, to the supplies that you're going to need for the experiments, everything is already done for you. All you have to do is open the box and read with your kids and do the experiment. So it's all the fun stuff about teaching, about science, without any of the actual work. So just to give you a quick overview, in Science D, some of the topics that we're covering are robots, fossils, planet Earth, traits and attributes. We have ecosystems here. We're learning about wolves and how they help to restore an ecosystem. I love the books. They're not books that are self-published by BookShark. They actually pick some of the best books from really well-known publishers, such as Usborne and DK. A lot of the curriculum will also include a Magic School Bus book for the younger kids. So they're really great books, but also, so they're accessible for kids, but they also have a robust coverage of the topics that we're learning. If your kids are like mine, they probably also love science experiments. Getting our hands dirty to learn science in that kind of a way is always an exciting thing for kids to do. BookShark Science D comes with this huge science experiments book. You're not going to do all of them, but they've pre-selected a different experiment for you to do each week. Everything you need to know is right here in the book. And the best part is that when you purchase the curriculum, you can also get a kit that includes all of the supplies that you need for the project. So they're right there and ready for you to use. Even if it's a last minute thing, hey, we have an extra half an hour today, let's squeeze in our science experiment. Boom, you've got everything ready to go. So if you'd like more information, check out my blog post review about BookShark Science. And they're also currently running a giveaway so that you can win a curriculum as well. So go and check it out, or message me if you have any questions.